So if our mobile seat map test fails every Friday,
It's not a one-time issue. Dashboards help you prioritize what to fix and what to retire.
Sara, our tests ran last night, but I have no idea if they passed. Jenkins says green, but no details. No screenshots, no logs.
That's not good. Automation without reporting is like a plane without instruments. It might be flying, but you don't know where or how.
So what should I expect from a good report?
Details: which tests ran, which passed, and which failed. Why did they fail? Logs, stack traces, screenshots, timestamps, maybe even video playback.
That sounds like a lot of info.
It's not about more info, it's about useful info. Can you debug a failure with what the report gives you? That's the real test.
What tools help with that?
We use Allure Reports. It gives a clean dashboard. Passed, failed, skipped. You can drill down into test steps, logs, screenshots. Others use extent reports, report portal, or even custom dashboards with Elk or Grafana.
And where does logging fit in?
Logging is what fuels the reports. A good log tells you what the test did, what it expected, and what it got instead. It's the test's black box.
So I should add logs in my test scripts?
Yes, and not just generic ones. Instead of step passed, say flight booked with IT-213 en route JFK to LAX. Make it readable for humans, not just machines.
And where do all these logs go?
They're stored alongside results, sometimes locally, but ideally on a shared server or cloud storage. That way the whole team can access and analyze them.
Okay, and dashboards?
Dashboards are how we track test health over time. Think total executions per week, pass rate trends, average execution time, top 5 failing tests. It helps us spot patterns.
So if our mobile seat map test fails every Friday?
It's not a one-time issue. Dashboards help you prioritize what to fix and what to retire.
This feels like giving our test suite a voice and a memory.
Exactly. Good automation doesn't just test. It tells a story: what's working, what's broken, and what's getting worse. Maintaining your automation over time, because even the best scripts decay if we don't refactor, review. Thanks for watching with us here at TestTactix, where testers come to upskill, innovate, and succeed. Whether you're automating your first test, scaling a framework, or exploring new tools, this journey is just getting started. Subscribe for more tutorials, tool walkthroughs, QA career tips, and straight-up testing wisdom, delivered with clarity and no fluff.
And don't forget to like, comment, and hit the bell, unless you want Sara to automate a reminder into your CI/CD pipeline.
Got questions? Drop them in the comments. Want to go deeper? Head to TestTactix.com for coaching, resources, and the community you've been waiting for. Until next time, keep testing smart and stay curious.